What's up, y'all? This is Helen, your friendly neighborhood horticulturist. So today I'm going to go over how to spot pest problems and how to treat the pest problems, just in case you don't want to take the time out of your day to ask a question about it. So notice these holes here. Holes typically indicate biting pests. Biting pests, you want to use spinosad soap. So if you see holes or big munch marks, like all of this stuff, I would use spinosad soap. Now, a good thing to use if you're unsure on what the problem is neem oil. You could also use neem oil and see how well it works. I find neem oil works pretty well for Swiss chard like these guys. Now, if you notice that the plant is overall wilting and it's got little tiny bugs on it all along the stem, the tops, and the underside of the leaves, those are most likely aphids or mealybugs. Aphids or mealybugs can be treated very well with neem oil as well, or orange oil, or spinosad soap. Now, if I were to describe the differences between neem, spinosad soap, and orange oil, I would just say neem is the gentlest, spinosad is moderate, orange oil is slightly more severe. Now, for anything that's an oil that you're going to be treating with the plant, you want to be very mindful of the time of treatment. You don't want to treat during the harshest time of the day for any of these oils because they will burn on the leaf and they can kill your plant within one day. It is insane. You want to try to treat at dawn, or better yet, at dusk, so the oil has time to disperse and do its job before the heat of the next day. So just to reiterate, if you notice spots, big holes on the plant, that's likely a biting insect, in which case you want to use spinosad soap. If you try spinosad soap and it's not doing the trick, take it one step further with orange oil. Now, if you notice the plant is overall suffering, it's wilting very, very quickly, and it's got little tiny bugs on it that are either white and hairy or orange, yellow, or black little tiny bugs that are all along the stem and the veins of the plant. Those are likely sap-sucking plants, in which case neem oil will do the trick. Now, what's the common denominator? If you don't know what to do, try neem oil. Neem oil is a great I don't know what to do treatment. And if you have any questions, of course, please ask.